Well, I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we're going to find out. As gardeners, we are constantly trying and experimenting with new growing medium. And I don't know about you, but I am constantly YouTubing new different techniques and everything else for things that I can add to the garden to make it more efficient and to make it grow better. And after gardening for 3 years, I still love looking through all the new ideas and just things that I can try in the garden, especially this time of year whenever we really can't get out to the main garden. I like to do the experiments here in the house. But one of my biggest problems is I'm flipping through, I see some of these garden hacks, and it's like, well, I don't know how that would work. So is it a garden hack or is it a garden flop? Well, that's what I'm trying to find out now. And so this one today I found on the 5 Minutes Crafts Versus channel. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll put a card up yonder. I think it's actually over here. I don't know. But I'll put a card up yonder. I recently tried their strawberry medium grow hack, and I'll put the link up here and down in the description if you want to check that out. And for today's hack, I definitely think it's probably going to be about the same as the strawberry. And if you have any predictions or experience trying to use tea bags as a grow medium or seed starter, go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think the outcome will be or what experience you have with it. So why could this work? So tea bags, especially the organic ones, we're going to want to stick with organic if you don't want the staples, the string, the plastic, and everything else in your dirt. That's what I'm using, but maybe we'll try some Louisiana or Lipton tea bags. Who knows? Tea bags contain high levels of nutrients, antifungal properties. They're high in nitrogen and manganese. And actually, the high acidity in a tea bag will break down the outer shell of a seed a little bit faster. So it could be possible this may work, but to every plus side there's also a negative, because it could be too acidic, difficulty in transplanting because it's a small tea bag, inconsistent decomposition of the material that the tea bag is in, or even just the tea leaves themselves could decompose too slowly. Which, while I was doing my research for this, I realized there's a lot more pros to cons than this, so I'm starting to think maybe my initial thought of the outcome might be a little off. We're planting these on January 10th, 2025, so January 19th, 2025, we should have the answer of can we and should we germinate seeds in a tea bag. Day 4, and we have some growth in that one down there in that hole. Not really seeing much in these guys, but then what's super trippy is the fact that I think that's a seed right there. First off, whoops. But then what? Full radish in 4 days. That's insane. Oh, we're starting to see the conclusion. We are getting some germination in the potting soil. But look how crazy these tea bag radishes are doing. It's intense. But I'm seeing a lower germ rate in these 4 versus those 2 compared to the germ rate in this. That one's not, there's 1. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe my seeds are bad because I got 2 out of 6 on that one, and then 2 out of 6 on that one, and that seed right there that fell random is also kind of not germinating. I might have to scrap this entire project. I mean, obviously tea bags work, but we'll have to check it out further. All right, so the results are in. We've got germination on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one never came up. Of the potting soil, but the seedlings look a little kind of under the weather. And then we've got germination on 2 in the tea bags, but those seedlings look way better. So I mean, it's a 50-50. Can you grow seedlings in a tea bag? Absolutely. Should you? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you have any great garden hacks you'd like to share with us, let us know in the comments below. We love learning new ways to grow. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every Sunday at 6 p.m.